What? Oh, that's loud. God dang. Warning, hit headphone users.
Look, grab that!
I didn't think I'd be recording the part 2 of this.
Grab that, dude.
But, you know,
Just rub
I think
it
I should just
all
finish the
around.
rest of them. So this is part 2.
Ah! Oh my god!
What are y'all doing? Did you break him or something? What is that? Did it rub off on you or something?
Oh, yeah! It's no!
Oh my god.
You know that stuff?
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's all over me. This stuff's poisonous. Is it poisonous?
Yes! Yes!
It is?
Stop, kid, that stuff is poisonous!
It's all over him. Oh my god. Stop it, child.
Dude, that stuff will kill you, man!
It ain't coming off of me either.
Yeah, it will. Oh, wait, no, it ain't.
No, it's not.
Dude, it's not gonna come off!
It's not coming off.
It's not gonna come off! Dude!
This is the grand finale. I probably could have finished this in the last video. Stop it, child, okay? Stop it. It's already all over me.
Quit! Thanks to you, I'll glow in. Stop, kid!
River,
That has a hole in it. It's all over it.
River, come here.
It's all over him, too.
It's all over us, too.
River, put it down.
Oh my god, look at that. I don't know if you all can see that, but there's like they're like using those little glow stick things.
It's all over him.
And like the hole was in it and the beads came out of it, or whatever they are, and now they're actually stuck to the shirts. Our
Yeah,
shirts.
they're all over us. Oh my god, look at this.
Where'd my hat go? Are they poisonous?
Yes.
How do you know?
Come here, River, now.
Dude, that's why it says do not eat.
River,
Oh, like so like as long as we don't eat it, we're not gonna die.
Yeah.
Okay, this is good enough for me. I think I can live with that.
Dude. Just sleep without your shirt or
What?
pants because you do not want to suffer.
Is that it? Oh well. I think that was all of it, so, you know, just probably should have finished the rest of this in the last video, but, you know. And now I've got glow stuff all over me. It's not coming off either. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more. That was a short finale of fireworks. Thank you for watching and happy Independence Day and goodbye.